everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at an Entegra Coach Vision XL model 34B. Yo, this is the Entegra Coach Vision XL 34B. This is an awesome, simplistic floor plan, giving you quality, giving you features without breaking the bank. First and foremost, I love the Entegra Coach headlight design. It's mean, it's cool, it's aggressive. This is a Ford engine, which has a 7.3 liter V8. It is the Godzilla engine. That's 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Nice big 22.5-inch tires. This full body paint is beautiful. It's black on silver on gray. You do got TV on the outside and tons of storage. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside, when you walk in, please do a 360 to the left. You will see that this is a beautiful motorhome. And then we'll get started right up front here. Cockpit area, 7.3 liter Ford. You got your commander seat, auto leveling. Right here's a nice computer tray. Bunk over the cab holds 750 pounds. Right here's your dinette. And then here you got some pantry space. Over here, solid surface countertops is great. Nice oven, and look at this huge residential style fridge. Ice maker, water purifier, and everything. Then if you come this way, ma'am, then you'll see that this has a tri-cushion sofa right here. And then this comes down if you need a cup holder. Also, these are recliners. Then right here, we got the TV, fireplace, entertainment center right there. Coming on through to the master bedroom. If you pop on in, you can see that it has a king-size bed. Tons of wardrobe space right there. Washer and dryer as well. Coming on through, back to the mid, you got your toilet and sink area right here. And then to wrap it all up, you have a very nice 30 by 36 shower. Great, so that's a quick little tour of the Entegra Coach Vision XL 34B. If you guys are interested in learning more about this unit and you want to see the full review, check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, great. Click that link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.